If you have nothing else, you will want to at least have one account, an operational checking account. This account is where you will put all of the money that your clients give you to do the work. You'd put it into your operations checking account. Then when you have bills to pay, you pay them out of that operational checking account. I recommend that you also highly consider having an escrow account as well. You can use a checking or a savings account for your escrow account. An escrow account you would use to put retainers that your clients pay you. So when your client pays you a retainer, let's say $2,000 for a surveillance job, that money is not your money. That $2,000 is not your business's money. That money belongs to your client until you have completed the work. So if you put it in an escrow account, if something ever happens and you're not able to finish it, that money is still there and you can reimburse them any of the unused funds. I highly recommend that you consider this. I highly recommend you put your monies into the escrow account first. When the work is completed, then you can transfer it over to your operations checking account.